Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. Steering wheel's nice and straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. It's essentially a brand new car. There's no complaints here. It drives really nice. Has a killer turning radius there. It is very, very quick. That is definitely crazy. This is really, really fun to drive. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the front right wheel, looking for any curb rash. I don't see any curb rash. And then that center cap looks really cool. Checking out the fender. All of that looks good. Got the carbon on the side mirrors. That A-pillar looks nice. All of that's in great condition. I mean, this is really just a brand new car, essentially. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. And then you do have film right here protecting this little section. Really nothing to pick apart on this side. It looks really good. All right, checking out the front end. Let's start with the headlights here. They look perfect. Here on the hood, I see a little chip there, a little one there. Couple small spots where bugs kind of hit it. Other than that, that looks good. That headlight's nice and clean. Now you're gonna have a couple rock impacts. I don't see any chips that are standing out to me yet, but you do have those little divots every once in a while from rocks. And I'm talking, you got to get super, super close to even see that. All of this looks good. All right, let's check out the driver's side now. So far, all of this looks good. I don't see any curb rash. Now this piece of plastic, it does have a scratch, a little scuff in it. The rest of that pillar looks good. Side mirror looks good. You have a couple tiny little scuffs there. The rest of that door looks good. So really just that little scuff on the plastic, and this is almost perfect here. All right, here on the back side, all of this looks good. So far all this looks perfect. If you get super close on the edge, you're going to see a couple tiny scuffs there. Tiny one there. Other than that, looks really good. All right, checking out the interior. It's essentially brand new. Smells new, looks new. All of this is absolutely perfect. All of this trim looks really cool. Got the smoked sill plate here. Those floor mats look amazing. Bolsters are perfect. I mean, I don't see any flaws on these seats. Got the Alcantara here. All of that looks good. Carbon everywhere. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. You can see the accent lighting here. 1,516 miles. Got this massive console. I love the logo here. This thing is super cool. And full Alcantara headliner. All of this looks good. Here on the front right door panel, looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws. All of that looks good. Floor mats look amazing. Seats are absolutely perfect. That side of the console looks good. Beautiful, beautiful car. There's nothing to pick apart on this side. Here on the back right door panel, that looks perfect. Kick plate area looks good. Seat backs look amazing. There's nothing to pick apart on this side either.